Hello guys, welcome to another Python tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to see about conditional and looping statements in Python. Let's get straight into it. So let's go ahead and define a function def um, test value. So you give test value, it takes an argument called value, and then it's gonna check the condition. So if it's gonna check a condition, if that condition returns a boolean true, it's gonna go ahead and execute that particular statement inside the if statement. So let's say the value value equals 5. So it's gonna print out value is equal to 5 LF. So this thing will be executed only once if the condition is true, and then it will straight go to the end of it'll skip this one and I'll go execute the next code in the function. So okay, let's say what if this thing is false. Let's gonna go check this condition which is called LF, and for which we're gonna say value equals 6. So if it's 6, then it's gonna print out let's see, copy this. Value is equal to 6. An else statement is a default statement. If none of these conditions are true, it will be executed only if none of these conditions are true. None of the above conditions. Else print the value is something else. Okay, I'll save this one. And if you execute this thing, it's not going to work. You have to call the function. Let's go ahead and call the function. Test value. You pass the value, like let's say you pass 8. So you're officially calling the function. Let's go ahead and execute by pressing F5. The value is something else. So it goes over here. First one, it's false, and this is false, and it'll execute the default else statement. If there is no default else statement, it's gonna do nothing. So now it has a default else statement, so it has printed the value something else. So this is if statement. So let's say we just go ahead and give it 5. So we're gonna make this condition true. Save and press F5. Value is equal to 5. So it executed this statement because this condition check has returned true. So it's not gonna test this one. It's not gonna execute this one. Let's say it's gonna skip all else statement that comes next to this if statement if the first condition of the if statement is true. Let's say you put print done checking, execute this. So I'm just gonna execute with this same argument 5 test value 5. So save and execute. So it's gonna execute this one, value is equal to 5. Then it's gonna come over here and it's gonna execute this one. Done checking. Okay. Value is equal to 5. Done checking. So this is basic if and else statement, guys. Let's jump into if while do I have while. Okay, let's do for looping. So I'll just delete. I don't have delete. I'll just stop calling this one. So let's say like define a function. Display. Okay, whatever. Multi. And it's gonna take star. It simply means it's gonna take a lot of arguments. That's what star means. Where args colon indentation, press enter to indent automatically for you. Far arg in var arg. So let's say uh, far statement, like you use that for like repetitive task until the condition goes false. That's application of for loop. So let's say you're passing 10 arguments. So it's gonna go through each and every single argument, and it's gonna like perform the task that's inside the for loop. Let's give something inside this for loop. Okay. So we over there, and then end this with indentation, and then press enter. If arg, I'm gonna convert this into uppercase. So how do I do that? Dot upper call upper method. So it's going to convert the argument into uppercase. So whatever case it is, it's going to just convert that in uppercase. Equals cont. So that's the condition. We don't need these braces. Colon indentation, and then I'm going to say contive continue. Elif. If that's not true, it's going to check this condition. Arg dot upper call the method equals break. If this is true, it's gonna just break out of this for loop. Break, you use that to get out of for loop. Continues, like it's gonna like continue to go ahead and do the next iteration. That's what this. Uh, so we add a small print statement here so that just tells it what has happened. Continuous the argument, then print break argument. Print good argument. Let's go good argument. Uh, so then what is a good argument? Let's print it out. So what does this continue do? It forces the loop to continue from the current point of execution, the next entry in where args. So it's going to take the next. Let's say you have A, B, C, D. So here you have it faced. Let's say you put B here. So it's gonna come out to A. Nothing happened. So it's gonna go over to like. So you're passing arguments A, B, C, D, 4 arguments. So you're putting this arg upper, which will be A, B, C, D in each and every single. It's gonna take one of those values in all 4 iterations. Then it's gonna check this one. So let's make it A. Let's say it's A. So it's gonna come over here and it says continue. So it's just gonna like go ahead and do the next. It's gonna go ahead and like do the next iteration B. So that's what this continuous implements. In the break, it stops the loop from executing. So it will get itself out of the for loop. Okay, let's go ahead and call this function. I'll copy this one. Copy. Let's go hello comma, Guri, comma, first, comma, last. So I'm calling it, so save and fi. So it doesn't satisfy this condition, not this condition, so just go ahead and print this one. It prints the corresponding value of the box. So first, for the first time, it's hello Guri first and last. Let's replace this port with the cont and then press F5. So first one, hello, it's not over here, so it just prints it, and GUI, it will come straight down here and it'll just print it. And then cont, it's gonna go over here, and then continue as the argument. So I have to put this thing on top. So, and then it's gonna just go ahead and continue from here again. It's not gonna print the rest of the loop, rest of the statements in the loop. And then it sees last, and then it's just gonna print last. So over here I'll put break and see what happens. So what should happen? It should print hello, Guri, and then that's all. Nothing else. Hello, see, hello. So this is false. This is false. Prints hello. And next one, this is false. Next one here. This is false. This is false. So prints this one. Break. This is false. This is true. So it just breaks out of loop. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Subscribe for more videos. Need any clarification? Just comment below.